What's going on, guys? Bill's by Johnny, and today you're probably wondering, is it a boy? Is it a girl? It's a little turbo. What is called a T51r mod. No performance changes at all, just all noise. And as you know, with me, I don't really care about performance for the most part on most cars, but sometimes you just gotta have the cool points, the clout points, you know. So that's what we're going for today. We're gonna put this T51r mod on this M340 and go from there. All the Supra BMW jokes aside, of course this thing does have the same motor as the Supra, and we're going to be doing surgery on it. So the first thing we're going to do, taking this intake apart. We may have to take, no, we're not going to end up having to take this off. I'm just kind of going with the flow. Engine cover, of course, is going to free up a lot. But we did do dynon coils, upgraded plugs, all kinds of little things already here and there, but now we're doing some of the bigger stuff. So we'll start tearing things apart and we'll go from there. So took this front bracing off, the little cover there, and that gave me pretty much all the access I needed to the turbo. We pulled this intake pipe off and the turbo inlet pipe, which is the lower one. That one's loose now. There's two, whatever you want to call those, shaped clamps on each of them. So we pulled them off, got them off the turbo. Now we're gonna have to pull this apart. This is a vent line, so no coolant spillage there. Chances are we're gonna have to take the turbo lines loose. So if that happens, then fluids will come out. So we'll prepare for that. The wastegate, we took it loose. As you can see right here, it goes over like that, and then there's the set screw, or sorry, the adjustment screw is this one here, the one on the other side of this arm that holds it to the actual wastegate, to the actuator, is the set screw. So we took the set screw off, did not touch this adjustment. You want to make sure it remains exactly where it was. Unless if you mess it up, you have to calibrate and all this stuff, and that's really not fun. So we're gonna leave that there. Kicked it. All right, I forgot my camera, so we're gonna finish up on the phone. Turbo's off. As you can see, the T51R has got the little cutouts in there. The original doesn't. So we're just gonna go back in with this one, put the car back together. Kind of a pain, but not too bad, I guess. Got to take the clamp off that bolts the actual turbo to the back there, and kind of swivel it around to get to the top bolt on the housing. This one here. But we're gonna put it back together. Next video, this thing will be back together, and we'll get a sound clip. All right, she's all back together. Start it up and see how this thing sounds.